Hi everyone, what is up? I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. I just feel really empty. If there is a week that I can't upload, it's just not gonna happen. That's just not me, okay? I just miss filming, and I feel like it has been forever since I have filmed last time. So if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Jesi. Sorry for the long intro. So let's go ahead and make this video. Make this video. So I feel like there are two types of brush cleaners. Brush spot cleaners. One of them is like you swirl it on a black pad. It is extremely similar to like a donut for the hair. I would never buy that product because I already know that the donut hair works just the same. Maybe I'm too cheap, but that's just how I think it is. So there are a lot of good spot cleaners out there. My personal favorite is actually from Japanesque and Cinema Secrets, but you know, even though the big bottle from Japanesque is $30 like that, I can make a spot cleaner myself for as low as $15 or even like lower than that. If you already have a spray bottle in your house, then you can just use that instead. So I'm upgrading my spray bottle. I do have like a spray bottle here with me, but I always use that for my alcohol, and you have seen that like 1 million times if you have been with me for a while now. So this bottle is from Daiso. A lot of you guys know that I am a huge fan of Daiso. I was actually trying to be like really cheap and go to like 99-cent store or Dollar Tree, but I decided to stick this one because this is the most aesthetically pleasing in my eye. The bottle is just beautiful and you can't find it anywhere. It's just nice. It actually reminded me of the packaging of the Bath and Body Works, except the top is more of like a round closure top. But yeah, so that's that. This is actually 300 ml. What I like to do with mine is to just like take out the bottle, because I don't know, I just don't like the sticker in the back, so I'm just gonna take that out. It's not necessary, it's really not, it's just me, okay? And also, if you guys do not mind, I'll show you some stuff that I bought at Daiso too. It's not really that serious, and it's not makeup related. It's been a month since I bought makeup, and I am so proud of myself. I have another video coming up, and it's me taking you guys to Nordstrom Rack. So I found really cool stuff here. So again, like it always like depends on where you're located. So yeah. I'm doing this carefully because I really hate like the glue residue. So if you guys are like my sister and so impatient, just check the description box. I'll write all of the ingredients there. Okay, perfect. Now, I have this for a while now, and I feel like I'm not like really using them. So these are the L'Oreal Micellar Cleansing Water. I just noticed that if there's like a separation at the top, I hope you guys can see that. See that? This is something that can remove like the waterproof ones, because this is oil. So you basically shake this and then after that use it. So what I'm gonna do is that this is like not rocket science. Everybody can do this. Super freaking easy. I'm just going to put my micellar cleansing water. You can use any makeup remover if you wanted to. Ta-da! Why did I smell that? I have no idea. That's just me, okay? And then, now I already know that this is not going to be enough, so I went ahead and got myself, this is a different brand, it's from Garnier, and this is the micellar cleansing water. It's the regular one, it's in the pink bottle. I was looking for the one that is in the color blue because that one takes out like the, I feel like that one helps break up the makeup even more because it has oil, but I'll just have a little faith on this one. If not, I'll just drop a little bit of oil. But yeah, this is $9.99 and it's pretty massive. I was like so close on getting the, what is that? I forgot what it is. Whatever. Or you're probably gonna say like, Jesi, that's still like involved with makeup. Like, girl, this is like an essential, okay? This is not like, I wouldn't consider this as like a part of like a makeup addiction, no buy thing, just so because this is something that like I need, and I know for sure that I will use it. So not just because I'm on a trip right now and I just wanted a spot cleaner. I know to myself that I will use it. And you know what? If I'm not going to use a spot cleaner, I'm just going to use this to take out my makeup. I don't know if I make sense on that, but yeah. So it's not sealed, so I'm going to go ham on that. You're probably wondering, like, Jess, what's the measurement? There's absolutely no measurement. I'm just kidding. So I'm just going to half that. I'm just going to eyeball it. And then you can probably already guess, like, what is the next ingredient that I'm going to use. This is just like a 2-ingredient thing. So again, very basic and simple. Next product is alcohol. This is 70%. 99 cents. Got it at Target as well. There's so many alcohol. You can go to like Dollar Tree, 99 cents. Pretty much there's a... The reason why I picked these two products, the makeup cleanser, is because to break down the makeup, alcohol to help it like evaporate right away. And there's like oils in this to, you know, help the brush to make it like still soft. But I've been using alcohol for my brushes. I mean, they still look the same, but I would completely understand if you don't want to use alcohol for your brushes. But girl, doesn't do anything. They evaporate. Trying to be like really careful because I'm in the bed, so I don't want to spill anything. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I'm just kidding. Okay. Corny. Okay. I do have my makeup brushes here. By the way, I'm wearing something. I'm not naked, so like, okay. So I'm gonna shake that before I use it. It looks cute, huh? It looks beautiful. Okay. Moment of truth. These are the brushes that I used today to create this horrible makeup look right here. So let me get the one that I used for my brows. I actually have two 6S brushes from MAC, and the other one is missing, which is like really sad. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just going to spray it. It's gonna take off. There you go. It has a beautiful spray too. Oh, you guys, you're gonna love this bottle. And then you're like, Jess, I can't see it. This is, your video is shit. Like, hold on, come on. Calm down. Okay, there you go. And there, that's that. Let me trail it so you guys can see that there's no product left. Is it focusing? No. Oh my gosh, this is a horrible... You're missing the money shot. Okay. Okay, let's make another one, because... Okay, just want to show you... Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you guys how I do it up close. You know what, let me show you guys this one, because this one is like dirtier. And also, make sure that the micellar water is more dominant than the alcohol. So pretty much I'm thinking like 1/4 alcohol or something like that. So yeah. So if you guys wanted to add more, just like that. So when it comes to liners and creams, they just needed a little bit amount of time. This is done. That's beautiful. And these are the ones that I have cleaned already. They all look nice and fresh. So happy about that. Then this one, I use this for like the highlighter. I'm just swirling it around on the brush cleanser residue in the tissue. Look at that. I need to spray a little bit more. Now this one, it doesn't really work when it comes to beauty blenders. I just feel like everything is just super sanitized. So now I can just combine this to the rest. of my brushes. If you have a washcloth, that would be better. I'm just saving my washcloth right now for the upcoming weekend because we are gonna go to Reno. Yes, ma'am. And the diet, dude, is this pretty? Oh, there we go. The diet, it's barely happening, but I've been very good when it comes to limiting myself. I used powder for this one. So fun to clean. That was fast. Okay, there you go. Fresh brushes. Yay, super happy. So if you wanted to add a little bit of oil for this, it's totally going to be up to you. So yeah. Bye. Oh my god, I forgot to show you guys like my mini haul. Dang, I don't belong in the beauty community. Shit, I'm not good at it. Okay, so this doesn't have to do anything with makeup or anything at all. It's more of like just organizing. I got this, all of these are round nets for like laundry and clothes, so it's really not that interesting, but you're always welcome to stay. So everything I got from Daiso. This is more of like the round laundry net. Hello. This is a round laundry net. And then the reason why I purchased this one, so that I can put my underwear here and bra. That is literally is it. I've been using these bad boys for like a really long time. The other one that I have, it doesn't look good anymore, but Daiso quality is pretty. Some of them are really, really good. It will last you for like years. That's why I love it. It's like you add 50 cents more for like higher quality pretty much. And I also got this cylindrical laundry basket. This is in the jumbo size. Of course it is pink. So it has like finer net. So as you guys can see, it kind of looks like very, like the holes are not really that big. So this is where I am going to put my, either my t-shirts or pants or something like that. And then I got like a jumbo one. Now this version, the net on this one is big. So if I have like very delicate clothing, this is where I am going to pop them so that they won't like shed or anything like that. But yeah, I'm so happy with these purchases. I know I find it a little weird that I haven't bought makeup in a long time. Like it's just really freaking weird. So you can also use this mix after you put on makeup, spray it on your table, wipe it out, make everything clean, spray it on your palettes, clean your palettes inside and out, and that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think on the comment box down below, and I will see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!